Hi, my name is Mark Beatles. I'm the Assistant Service Manager with Frankly to Acura, and this is Acura Care. This time of year, I'd like to share with you a couple of components that could help improve your engine's performance and your air conditioning cooling capabilities. This is your engine air filter, and this is your air conditioning pollen filter. Over the winter, we get tree leaves, we get road grime, salt, and this time of year especially, we get pollen from the trees that affect both filters. Your engine filter, if it gets dirty, it's going to affect the performance and fuel economy. And your pollen air condition filter, this is what comes inside your car. It filters all that debris out of there. I don't know if you can see that. That's actual true tree leaves that collects in that filter. It's going to affect not only your clean air, but the performance of your air conditioning. So what I recommend every spring is replace your engine air filter and replace your air conditioning pollen filter. It will help, number one, save you on your performance and fuel economy, but it will also help you breathe clean air and help your air conditioning performance. Thank you.